I went about my wash day kind of different this time. Well, I wouldn't say wash day. Doing my hair a little bit different this time. I did wash and deep condition my hair, but I didn't end up doing it until the next day. I usually do it the day of. But the day of, I did put this Mimosa hair honey in my hair. There's hair on it. By Carol's Daughter. I really like this stuff. It smells good. But it also like to me, it just kind of has like a kind of off smell, but it still smells good in my opinion. It's thick in the container, but once you put it in your hands and rub it together, it instantly melts. It's more like an oil after that. Like, I'm trying to think of a product, but yeah, it just melts in your hand. This left my hair very soft, and like I said, I put this in the day of, so then the next day my hair was still soft. It was very smooth, very manageable. And also I use this as my scalp moisturizer. So when I went in and did my hair the very next day, I use this as my scalp moisturizer because it can be used on your hair or your scalp. And since my hair was still damp, but it wasn't like as wet as it would usually be when I do my hair, I decided to use this on my scalp, and it was wonderful. It worked throughout the week. My scalp wasn't itchy, it wasn't dry. It was just overall, this is just overall a very good product. Like, I would highly recommend getting this product. Especially if you're one of those people who do your hair the next day. This is a good thing you can use on your hair, or you can use it on your scalp, or both. I did both this time and it worked out wonderfully. And I've used this a few times so far because I'm doing this review a little late. But I've only used, I had hairs out the jar of course, but I've only used that much, so not much. I think this is gonna go a long way. I will leave the link in the description, or a few links in the description, for a few different places where you could purchase this. And yeah, the next product that I used was this Shea Moisture Twist Defining Custard. It's the Manuka Honey and Mafura oil. I hope I said that right. I like this stuff. My watch, but this wasn't my first time using it, so it is a little bit more gone. But this is my first time like doing a review and using it on camera. I like this stuff. It defines my curls very nicely. It's very thick. It's moisturizing. There's not much I have to say about it. I would recommend using this product. It smells good. It left my hair looking and feeling very nice. I wish I could have gotten video of my hair like the next day, but I didn't get any. But my hair did look good. So yeah, I will leave links in the description as to where you can get this. And that's pretty much all I have to say about it. I think these are two very great products, and that's it.